Let's take a look at this Pro Stormer drywall sander. This is a 6.5 amp electric drywall sander machine with an automatic vacuum system. It came well packaged with all the parts and accessories you need to get started, including the sandpaper. In the package, you get the sander itself, the dust bag, the extraction hose, the telescoping handle, 2 washers, 2 joints, as well as a hex wrench and a screwdriver. You also get 13 sandpapers, 120 grit and 320 grit. You'll also get this cool carrying bag. The manual has a lot of information, including details on how to operate and maintain the machine. Let's go ahead and put it together. First, I'm going to attach the telescoping handle, then the extraction hose, which clips nicely into place. At the other end, I'll attach the dust collection bag. On the handle, you have a locking trigger, a speed adjustment knob, and the LED on-off switch. This sander has a large Velcro bottom, makes attaching and replacing sandpaper easy. It also has a ring of LED lights, which really helps you see the surface you're sanding. Here you can see the hose that carries the dust through the handle and out into the bag. Let's go ahead and stick one of the included sandpapers onto it. And here we go, we are ready to use it. In today's project, I'll be smoothing a ceiling. It was previously filled in with a lot of spackle. Unfortunately, it is very rough and requires sanding. This is the perfect tool for the job. Although it's very heavy, it beats having a cloud of dust in the air. It also really helps to turn on the LED lights. Now I can really see the rough surface and the progress I'm making. Here's what the sander sounds like on medium speed. Unfortunately, without attaching a shop vac, the dust collects within the machine and doesn't quite make it to the collection bag. When used with the shop vac, I highly recommend this sander. For the price, it's a great product. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative.